July 4th. This weekend was a little hectic. We had a 4-day weekend. Started off with trying to do a barbecue. It decided to rain, so we had to flip all of our plans and we ended up going somewhere else not expected. Let me just show you guys what we did instead.
Feeling the sun, party done, shadows walking home. Walking with a game on. You are my kind, classic mind, and you look so fine. Loving the cold, smoking rolls, see your fingers shake. And getting through your heartbreak, some kind of free, same for me, don't know what I need. Don't doubt me, babe, you make me wanna change. Break my bed to make me wanna stay.
This is how you plan a July 4th barbecue. First thing you need: charcoal, backyard, a dog. We're gonna do a barbecue around 5. It's noon right now. The sun is out. It's supposed to rain, so we've canceled that. We're canceling the barbecue, and now we're trying to figure out what to do next. So we'll get back to you. We're in Atlantic City instead.
I can't vibe me, babe, you make me love the pain. Break my bed to make me wanna stay. I can't when you say it like that. Got me falling right back. When you say it like that. Let me fuck you right back. Got me falling right back.
We went to Atlantic City. I'm not big on gambling. Number one, I'm not a good gambler, and number two, I find casinos to be kind of depressing. So it's July 4th. We're gonna take it a little bit easy today. Clean my apartment, run a few errands, a rooftop hangout with a few friends, and my sister is moving up into the Upper East Side, so I'm gonna welcome her to the neighborhood and say hi to her. But before we do any of that, there's been this weird beeping that's happening in my apartment for the last 2-3 days, and I have no idea where it's coming from, and I can't go to bed. So priority number one, before any of that, find that beeping. I think I found where the beeping is coming from. It's coming from this corner of my apartment, either somewhere within this media system or my air conditioning unit. But I realized it's not either one. It's actually coming from outside here. I think it's coming from this new MTA bus stop clock. I need to get closer, but I think this whole thing's been beeping the entire time, but I'm pretty sure it's this. Oh, you heard it? Wait, hold on. See if you can hear it. Yep, it's definitely this. Let me just go downstairs and check it out. This wasn't here on Friday. Just finished my run. Quick 3-mile run before I head off to this 4th of July rooftop event. Figured out what the beeping noise was. It's this bus stop thing that they just installed. I'm gonna do some more research on it, but I don't understand why they would have a bus stop that beeps every 15 seconds. I need to change because I'm all sweaty and I can't meet people looking like this. Let me just change real quick. All right, let's go. Trains are down on the east side. So I'm gonna walk through Central Park and take the ACE down to Hell's Kitchen area.
When you say it like that.